Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. This is going to be an absolutely short video, but this one is for the football fan, the football lovers, the soccer lovers of players. Basically, if you like football, you play football, you play the video game FIFA or any other video game, this soccer related, this one is for you. I just found it on GitHub. It's open source, and I think it's a nice project for you guys that basically like the game. I'm not really into football, but for the World Cup, I think I'm going to support England anyway. Anyway, we're just going to get to it in a second. But first, welcome to the Every Tech That channel. I'm Toby, and today we're going to take a look at a project called GitFut. And let's get right into it. So this is the GitFut website. It is a nice looking website. And on the right hand side, we can see some top players. Basically, these are people that use GitHub, but these are top of the top. Basically, we have Linus Torvalds, we have Primogen, we have PewDiePie, and we have Brown. Lovely. And on the other side, basically, we have some content which says something like get scouted. I can see a World Cup 26 at the top here. It says pop in your GitHub username, try 12 volts. Okay, that's if you want to use other people's username to test out the product. But we're going to use my own. And down here, we see that about 694,000 people have used the project. Oh, that's a lot of people. So this basically validates the product. I think the developer is going to have fun with this one. So let's just get right into it. I'll put my username in there and let's see what happens. So put MX1 and let's just click on Scout. Oh wow, look at that. I'm not really into football, so I don't understand some of these stats, but I think it's good to see 81 because I think I saw somewhere. If I think if I go back here, I saw yes, the player cards are rated out of 99. So if we come back again to it, we see that I am an 81. So basically, that's not too bad. I'm guessing. Of course, I use Felt as my primary language. I'm a Swift enthusiast, and for those that don't know what it is, get on it. Anyway, so yeah, you can see my stats card 79. I think I know PAC is that passing. I don't know. Shooting 72, physical strength. I don't know what that is. Uh and defense. Oh, I knew DEF is defense 54. Sorry, I'm horrible at this. And my skill moves are 4 star to 5. Meh. I think it's okay. Not too bad. Uh Weakness, I don't know, 4 out of 5, I guess. Walk rate high mid. I'm relentless. Ooh, that's actually cool. My play style is workhorse, rapid fire. I'm a veteran and marathoner. That's okay. If you look at my distribution, I fall. Yeah, I think that just basically is the 81 gold thing here. And I have about 1,500 commits. My stars are 53. Some of the basic stuff you can find on my GitHub just put together in a football, soccer type of visual. So what do we have here? So we have a download button. Obviously, you can download the card and use it anywhere, like on your social media, wherever you want to put it. You can basically use the card, I will assume. And yeah, I guess you can share it on your X and LinkedIn also. Pretty cool too. So what do you have down here? We have Duel a rival. So I have someone in mind. He's my mentor and probably might not approve of this, but anyway, I'll do it just to see what happens. He's way better than me, but it will be a fun experience to have anyway. So I'm just going to click on Duel a rival, and I think I'll just put in his username here, SK. Yep, yep, and kick off, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we're having a football match. Okay, 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 okay. No, that's obviously what I expected, but I think it's a great game that happened. Obviously, I don't know why he didn't win the match, but you know, it's football, I think. And whatever deterministic programming they use for this probably will just produce the same result over and over again, which is fine. But if you notice that we can see some of the stats here, 70-30 dominance is weird. Okay, physical is about the same. Of course, his defense is absolutely stellar. And I don't know, my passing is good. I don't know what that means. So down here we have our commits are compared and stuff like that. We can see some other stuff on each side. But you will notice that our stats the shapes look quite similar because obviously he taught me what I know. So it would be fair that our stats would have a similar curve basically. And down here, I think there is something called swap corners. Okay, you can copy the links to here, which I think we assume would copy the link to the match between both GitHub users. So if I swap corners, let's see what happens again. Oh, it just basically takes the other player to the other side and reruns the whole thing, but ultimately the result is the same. But let's just jump right into, I think, possibly the use case of this. So let's just go back to here. And I believe you can use this on GitHub, and I have used it on my GitHub already. So, oh yes, so we're going to jump right into GitHub now. Let's take a look at what this card will look like if we embed it into our GitHub profile. And this is my GitHub profile. You can see that I use the card here. Looks nice, looks beautiful. Makes me pretend that I know a lot about football, but obviously I don't. But maybe it will turn some heads. Maybe people will look at it and be like, "Oh, this guy's cool." I don't know. Anyway, this is what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty sick. And it updates dynamically because if my stats do change, it will rerun and generate the image again. That's my assumption. But let's just head over to, if I click on this edit button here on GitHub, we'll take a look at what the code looks like. And this is what it looks like. So basically you can see that we have the image here directly pointing to the developer's website where he hosts my image. Hopefully, I don't know if the image will be generated daily or whenever maybe some job is running in the background. I'll keep generating the image. So keeping the stats fresh. I'm not sure. I'm just assuming that's what's going to be. And we have a link that basically will take you, if you click on it, it will take you to the developer's website. So this is how you can basically embed it. It's a very simple HTML code. You can just put in your readme.md file in your profile, and you can have this displayed as your stats card over there. It's quite easy. So this link you can get if you just go over back to the website. You see it's at the top here. You can just click on that, and that's what you use. You put here in your HTML href reference. So in that tag, you can just put that there, and you would have it displayed there. I think it's pretty nice. Just head back now. Also, all in all, I think it's a nice project. It's good. It's good. People that love football, this is one for you guys. And I hope to see one for basketball because I think I know a little bit more about basketball. So hopefully someone develops one for the basketballers. You know, I'm a basketball. I like basketball. So, but I didn't found anything that looks like this for basketball. But it is what it is. So you guys can get on it, develop it. You know, if you don't know how to code, probably use AI to build it, and share a link with me so I can do a review about it. Maybe get my basketball card and stack it next to the football one on my GitHub so they'll just be side by side. I think that would be really nice. So guys, you can head over to the developer's website, gitfut.com. You can head over to the repo, give it a star. I think it's a great project, but this is the end of the video. And if you want to watch more videos, you can click on either card here or here. There's going to be some suggestions that will come up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on the next one.